How to find my AI on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get my AI or how to see my AI on Snapchat. First of all, after you open up your phone now, go to your Play Store, App Store and start by updating your app. So after you come to your Play Store, App Store, go and search for Snapchat like this and make sure you update your Snapchat. After you update your Snapchat, now go back and open the Snapchat app like this. So after you open your Snapchat app like this, now if you want to get my AI, now tap on your profile at the top. After you open your profile, as you can see now, under your profile, if you scroll all the way to down in this section, as you can see now, you can't be able to see the my AI on your Snapchat app. So now tap on the settings again. Under the settings again, if you now scroll to down all the way to down, as you can see now in this all settings, you can't be able to find the my AI on your Snapchat app. All you have to do now, close your Snapchat and remove it like this. So now go ahead and open your Snapchat app again. After you open the Snapchat app, now tap on this chat section, chats. In this chat section now, after you open the Snapchat, now you can be able now to see your, as you can see now here it says my AI. Here is my AI. So you can, if you cannot find it in this section, now tap on this or read this or read, tap on it. If you come to this or read, now you can be able to see my AI. So here is it, my AI. So if you tap on this, as you can see now, or tap on this or reply. If you come to this or reply, you can be able to see the my AI like this. Now you can go ahead and open it and start just chatting with your my AI. That's it guys on how to get your my AI on your Snapchat app. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.